Hey there, folks. Your old buddy Gerald here. Happy 4th of July to y'all, man. We're outside here, and let's check out the sky. Well, as you can see, all the rain. There's no storms, no rain, because it's the 4th of July. It's going to make a pretty night for booming, and we're going to take you along and let you check it out here. It's going to be a tradition on my channel. Every 4th of July and everything. So we're going to have fun. Hey, if you come back here this way with me, look at that cloud. James, my buddy, there you go. Check that out. All you folks, what do you think it looks like? What's that look like to you? It's cool, ain't it? So, yep, all is quiet in the neighborhood. It's quiet in the neighborhood. Okay, so, they may be talking about some rain, some storms tomorrow, but I'm not really sure. So we'll just keep an eye on the weather and we'll just check that out. We'll just see what happened. And so, yep. It is a pretty evening. I waited for the sun to go down a little bit before I come out here because it was supposed to be like 105 today. Here's a pretty grassy field. Back this way. There goes somebody. So yeah, it just turned out to be an awesome day, dudes. So nothing. So yeah, well, like I said, we're gonna take you along with us and go check out the fireworks show. And why? Because we can. It's there. It's free. So anyway, we're gonna wrap this puppy up and we're gonna get started. So anyway, you guys be groovy. And there'll be a lot to film, so do not worry. This is probably going to be a long video. So, your old buddy Gerald here, folks. Welcome to Independence Day. Hey, we need to watch that movie. That's right. So, yeah, we'll watch that movie. Anyway, okay. So, I'll see you inside.
Yes.
All right, y'all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, that's perfect.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You got to put it in gear there.
Yeah. No, I thought I had my foot on the brake. And I was trying to put it in gear on.
Oh. Well, that's all right. Well, folks, as y'all can see, things do happen on the channel. So, as you get to hear it. And that's cool. Here's another $1 there for you. Okay, so we're going to find the arena park here, folks. And so, we're cool. We're just going to get our food. Yeah, give us some change back. Mickey D's, folks. What do y'all think of that?
Thank you. All right, thank you. You have a good night.
So, yeah, we're at Macadoodles. My change. Yep, I don't manage to see it. Okay, y'all. We're gonna get our food now. We got our big old nice cup holders down here. Got my hat. Let's see if they get this order right. All right, y'all. Like I said, this is not a storm, but it is not a storm. It is 4th of July night, and it's gonna have fun. You know, let's get out of the house and oh shoot. Well, we didn't bring no lighters, did we?
I didn't bring no lighters.
Nope. So those are useless for us, ain't they?
I should get lighters someplace.
Well, I mean, we got lighters at home, but and we can shoot them off tomorrow night too.
Yeah.
And sparklers and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Come on, people. I like this one here. So yeah, we're just happy 4th of July or whatever. We're waiting on them to give us our dinner. So, yep, by the way, y'all like, share, and subscribe, do all that bullcrap junk. There's Baby Doll.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh, that's Baby Doll. So, while we're doing this, we're just waiting. What are they waiting on?
Oh, food.
I mean, what are they waiting on?
It's cooking, I guess. Thank you, you too.
About time. About time. All right, y'all. We got. All right. Okay, y'all. I'll turn this back on when we get to the park and get all set up here. Okay. All right. Bye. All right, y'all. We here. We got fireworks to be coming over here this way. So, yep. I will. Whoa. Oh, the night thing turned on. Let me fix that. That night blue light filter, the night shift thing kicked in. So let me get rid of that here real quick, folks, because it doesn't look right on my end. Let me fix it. Okay, folks, I fixed the blue light filter because I'm using the note here. Hey, and there's a baby girl.
Hi.
And we got our sandwiches. Yeah, that's all right. Tailgate party, I guess. And my dirty bed. See what y'all think. We all see, man. Y'all see anything? So this is gonna be sweet. Gonna clear view shot of it, folks. We'll be right up here on top of it, boss. So in the meantime, we'll just turn this back on here in a little bit so I don't waste film, and because there's nothing to see other than different surrounding. So anywho, that's about it. So I'll turn this back on here in a little bit when something starts happening, folks. All right, bye. Alrighty, folks, we're getting some more people coming up in here, and there's a pretty sunset. There's a pretty sunset back in there. Y'all can see if you can see any fireworks. Not yet, huh? That's right. So anyway, so it's a pretty blue. So anyway, we'll turn it back on here in a little bit. There's nothing really to see right now. All right. Hey folks, here you go. Here's a few things for you to check out. Got some right here. There you go. Check that out. So cool little thing there for you. Anyway, so hey, if I see any more, I'll turn it on. All right. Boy, it's really pretty back in there. Look at that sunset, man. So anyway, man. So yeah, your old Betty Gerald here, man, and baby girl. And baby girl. What you got?
I had to pick up my paper, it fell.
Oh, it did?
And it blew away.
Well, so we got people coming in here, folks. So this is going to be a pretty good show, I believe. So I'm glad to be sharing this with y'all on my brand new channel, Wacky Weatherman. Eye Sky. Yeah, but I can't see it though. It's too light over there. I can see this part over here. But this ain't the big ones. Huh? This ain't the big ones. This ain't the big ones. We're waiting for that. But anyway, man, like I said, I'll turn this back on, and if we see anything groovy, anything cool. So, let's see if you can see this over here. I only did one. So, anyway, so yep, your old buddy Gerald here, folks, and baby girl. So our here we go. Damn. All right. All right. So, damn, Joe, that was pretty cool, man. Man, it sure was. What do you think of that, darling? Huh? Is that loud?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So, yep, got the trees and everything. So we'll this will go as long as I let it. So I got a clear view of the sky, folks. So anyway. Huh? You take your next sandwich? Get your other Mickey D's here. Is that it? See if we can see that over there. Can y'all see that over there? Oh, here's comes some over here. Some all kind of activity. No, still not. But we're gonna get there, folks. So, well, there you go. There you go, folks. Get you a little preview of what's gonna happen tonight. Check it out, dudes. Check it out, folks. Your old buddy Joe here. Like I said, you guys like, share, subscribe, and the iSky weather. So iSky weatherman here, right here. That was pretty, wasn't it? Pretty cool. So, we got some other stuff here. Pretty blue sky, folks. Yep. Joe, it's really pretty. It sure is, ain't it? Look at it long enough. Let's see what else we got, huh? Damn, we're right on top of these, folks. Excuse me. We're gonna be right on top of them, ain't we, Bumpkin? Huh? We're gonna be right on top of these things, folks. Yep, lights. Don't go near the light. Okay, folks. So, yeah, we're right on top of these things, man. So, anyway, so yep, just sitting on the tailgate. It's your old buddy Gerald. Checking out what's going on across the wake. So anyway. So, yep. You guys can watch. There goes a motorcycle. There you go, folks. There you go. There you go. There's some more, folks. There you go, folks. Groovy. Happy birthday, America. This ain't even crap. Ain't even got started yet, dudes. You have no idea, man. So what am I drinking? And Sprite, of course. See? Sprite. Does any of y'all care what I drink? So we'll just keep this thing rolling, I guess. I got a few people. Got a few people, folks. So that way we can just back on and take off. Boy, that sunset is really pretty, dudes. It's really pretty, folks. So anyway, So I'll turn this thing back on here shortly, folks. All right. All right. So looks like they're gonna be reparking somewhere else. There we go. So got a street light coming on. It's getting darker, y'all. There you go. Let's check that out. Whoa. We're gonna be right on top of these things, folks. Hey, the only best way to be is on top of the fireworks. So, yeah. Gerald, I'm worried about you. I know it, I understand, folks. Hey, if you can't have fun, stay home. Alright, so, yep, I've got to be me. So anyway, we're just having fun, man. It's all groovy. I'm gonna turn this back on. It's, like I said, it is getting darker, but I'm gonna save some film. Listen to me. Film. And I'll catch you guys here in a second. Alright, so, yeah, bud. 4th of July, baby. Alright, folks, look over here. I'm gonna try to see if I can zoom in here for y'all, man. I think it might be a little bit too light for the note to pick up. Yeah, the note. Wish I had a way to lower the brightness, but on this one I can't. So, yeah, I can lower the exposure down. Cool. There we go. Okay. Wow. There you go, folks. That's better. Yeah, I adjusted the exposure down a little bit. So now you bet. Whoa, I need to. Okay. So there we go. I set the exposure down a little bit, y'all. So, yep.
What's actually going to happen is it's because the way those work is like a rocket, but honestly.
So anyway, I'll turn it back on here in a sec. There you go, folks. Look at that. Check that out, dudes. Ain't that cool? I don't know. Well, it's pretty. Look at it, folks. It's going and going and going and going and going and going. There you go. I told you if they turn something on.
What was the name of that one?
What's that?
What was the name of that one?
Fast forward.
Fast forward.
It's pretty.
Cool, y'all. So, yep, I told you. Anytime I see something cool, I'll let you guys see it. Until it's time to see the big ones. Ooh. Ooh. So, anyway, folks, I'll turn this thing back on here if we see anything else cool, huh? So, got more people coming in back here. Got more people coming in. This is the hot spot. So, yeah, I still can't make that out yet. So, any of y'all that care, yeah, I got a McDouble, okay? Like you're so fascinated with the food I eat. It's like, it's unreal. Anyway, so folks, your old buddy Gerald here. And I should say Wacky Weather Man, the Eye Sky Weather. I'll turn it back on here in a sec. Let's see what else they got. So, fast forward. Ooh. I heard it, but I didn't. Wow. There you go. Hey, that's all right. No harm done. Wow, folks, look at that up there. Look at the smoke up there of that thing. So, yep, you never know what you're going to hear or never know what you're going to see on my channel. You want a napkin? All right, folks. So we still got the sunset back here. So, yes, sir, folks. All right. So, it is. I'm gonna try to adjust this down a little bit. There we go. Now you'll be able to see some good stuff. It's too bright. All right. Y'all can see, folks. See anything back that way? No. Probably be able to see stuff now. Yeah, I can. So. All right, y'all. I'm gonna finish eating here, and I'll turn this back on. All right. All right. There you go, folks. Check that out. Woohoo! I know I'm gonna have to reset the exposure down. There you go. Look at those over there, folks. Got them going everywhere, folks. Folks, I'm gonna let me adjust this exposure down a little bit, huh? All right, y'all. So I've got the exposure set, which is the best thing because this phone records so good at night that it looks like day. So now we can see stuff. Yeah. So. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Boom. You guys think of that? Look at that back. Look at that down there, y'all. Yes, sir. That is nice. And I'm getting it. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Huh? It looks absolutely beautiful on here. I can see it. I can actually see it. I can actually see it better on here. Wow. There you go, folks. Whoa. Check that out, y'all. That cool? Wow. There you go, folks. Huh? Uh-huh. Wow. Look at that, folks. There you go. Okay, folks, there you go. Check that out, man. I'm trying to adjust the dim exposure here. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, folks. Joe, that's pretty, ain't it? Yes, sir. What time is it about? Wow. Check that out, folks. There we go. I got it back down the way it's supposed to be. And you get a big good view of it because it's all right in my screen, you know. It's all right in our screen. Whoa. Look at that, folks. What do y'all think, man? Pretty groovy, huh? Gerald, you can see it throughout the whole thing. Yeah, I know. Whoa. Check that out, dudes. Dang, man. So apparently we still got more to go here, huh? Huh? Because that's down there. That's not even up here yet. Is it? That's down there. And see, it's all in the screen. It's all in the screen. Wow. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, boy. Check that out, man. Wow. Well, I got some good ones this year. All right, folks. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, y'all. Check it out, folks. Y'all are getting a ringside seat.
Lights, please. Lights.
Yeah. See, folks, you can get a good view of it instead of going way up here trying to chase them. Check that out, dudes. Can you see it, Bumpkin?
Yeah, I can see
Check it out, folks. Joe, this is so cool. James, my boy, check this out, my man. And we got more people coming. Well, they got good ones this year. They got real good ones. Oh, wow. It sure is. Wow, man. See, folks, this right here is probably the best spot right here, actually, because I can see it all in the thing. You know? Huh? I said I can see it throughout the whole thing. I don't have to. I could have probably brought the tripod for this. Wow. I can actually see it better with the phone. Huh? Because it is a little way. Huh? You know, it is a little far, but yeah, boy. Wow, look at that. Check that out. What do you think, darling?
Yeah, it looks nice. I like it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And like I said, and I can get the full of it in the screen. I can get the full benefit of it in the screen. Check that out, dudes. Uh-oh. Wow. Check that out, dudes. Whoa. Check that out. See that?
Yeah.
It's all right, huh? Groovy. These are non-stop too. Yes, sir. Your old buddy Gerald's on top of it, folks. Mr. Cameraman. That's right. You guys are going to love this. Check those out over there. Now I can't see them. We'll stick to the big fireworks. Wow. Here we go, folks. Wow, dudes. Check this out, man. If this ain't groovy, I'll kiss your hat. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Now the next thing to do when I get back home is to publish all this, edit the video together. Here we go. There you go, darling. You know which one that is, don't you? Wow! Yes, sir, boss. I'm gonna drink to that, dudes. If you got it, drink it. Chug it. Wow. Happy birthday, America. Yeah, but we need the birthday cake now. All right, dudes. Y'all saw it. Yeah, that was real good. And your old buddy Gerald here filmed it, folks. Groovy. Yep, it actually looked really good through this. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna sign it off and I'll turn it back on here shortly. I'll brighten the back up the way it's supposed to be. Yep, ain't nothing like the Note, is it? So, yep, it's your old buddy Gerald here, folks. We're gonna shut her down and I'll see you guys back in the truck. See my dirty bed? That's right, I didn't make my bed today. That's how dirty my bed is. All right, so Wacky Weatherman out. I'll see you guys here in the next. All right, y'all, we got done with the fireworks. Big city of Cape Petro-Morardo. That was actually one of their best shows that they've had, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. I wouldn't like this one before. I think the last time
We did it a couple years ago, and it was okay, but it wasn't that good.
we had to, I think, go all the way back to Illinois. Then, I think.
Oh yeah, because we played that assistant living. Yeah, I remember that. But we did it. What's that in front of us?
I'll see something other.
Oh, something I ain't.
Something like this.
All right, y'all. Big city, man. So, hopefully y'all got to enjoy the festivity. Y'all got to enjoy that. That was really good. It really was. So just going through town, big city here. So we're gonna get back on the interstate, going home, and catch you guys later. And that's about it. So just an old drive home, and I'm sure y'all don't want to check that out, but hell, you're probably going to anyway, just because, I don't know. Hey, there's the Golden Corral. Might as well go eat something, huh? Yeah, they closed now. You people missed it. So we're on interstate, heading HOME. Got baby girl there. So yeah, it was pretty good fireworks. And I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share it on Facebook. And
I'm surprised they don't stay open till 10 and 11 on weekends.
huh?
I'm surprised they don't stay open till 10 during the week.
Oh, you would think so. You'd think so.
I know working from home, that's what we did.
Yeah. That's about it, y'all. So it's really cool, man. Had a good time tonight. That was. And I'm glad you guys really got. I'm glad you all enjoyed it. Got to see it. So, yep. So, just going to take you the ride home, and I'm glad you guys enjoyed it, man, and you got to see it. Comment below. And all that stuff. Yep. That was it. Well, we gotta wait a whole nother year. We gotta wait another whole year, baby girl. Like I said, man, just really, you guys enjoyed this, and like, share, subscribe, click that notification up there, and share this on your page, man. I'm gonna share it with y'all, but I gotta let me edit it first. It's probably gonna take a while to edit. How fast you going? You better slow it down a little bit. So, yep, but we'll see y'all back home. All right, and we'll wrap it up. Okay, folks, as you can see, we made it back home, and it was a really good time. So thanks for hanging out here with me tonight. And like I said, you guys like, share, and subscribe. And oh yeah, let's show you one of my favorite guitars. This right here, for anybody interested, is a 1987 Alvarez Electric. That's all it is. It's a Alvarez Electric. Got the gold hardware. My buddy Curtis had this, and he recently passed about a couple of years ago, but he sold this to me about 5 years ago for $150, and this is where it ended up. So your old buddy Gerald got it. He trusted me with it, and I will living up to that promise. So this will not be going anywhere. This right here is one of my favorite prized possession guitars because my buddy Curtis had it. And so that is a beautiful, beautiful thing. So, yep, pretty cool, pretty groovy. Got the EMG selects in here. So anyway, you guys be groovy, and talk to you guys on down the road. You guys be groovy. So Wacky Weatherman here. You guys just hang out and enjoy the fireworks, man. And it was a blast of hanging out with y'all tonight. So glad you guys, I wanted to share our weekend with you, our evening. All right. Toodaloo.